Your LG TV screen keeps flickering, and it's driving you nuts. This video walks you through a step-by-step fix, from quick setting changes to deeper hardware checks, so you can get back to watching without the annoying screen flashes. Let's start with the basics. First, unplug your LG TV directly from the wall. Don't use a power strip. Then, find the physical power button on the TV itself. Press and hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. Once you've done that, wait at least 5 minutes before plugging the TV back in. If you've got more time, waiting around 30 minutes is even better. After that, turn your TV back on and see if the flickering has stopped. If it's still flickering, check the power source. Try plugging the TV into a different wall socket, and avoid using any extension cords or surge protectors while testing. Next, take a look at your cables. Unplug any HDMI or other input cables, and give the HDMI ports a quick clean using a can of compressed air. Once they're clean, try plugging into different HDMI ports, and if possible, swap out the HDMI cable with one that you know works. To figure out if the flickering is caused by something connected to the TV, unplug all HDMI cables and any other input devices. Then, just open the TV menu using your remote. If the menu itself is flickering, even with nothing plugged in, that means the issue is likely with the TV's panel, not anything you had connected. Now let's go into the TV settings. Start by turning off energy saving mode. To do that, go to Settings, then All Settings, and look under either Picture or Support. You'll find energy saving there. Just switch it off completely. Next, try changing the picture mode to see if that helps. You can also turn off features like motion smoothing or dynamic contrast if they're on. If your screen looks too bright or harsh, try lowering the panel brightness or adjusting the gamma setting. After that, it's a good idea to run a picture test. Go to Settings, then All Settings, then Support, and look for Screen Self-Diagnosis, or go to Picture, and then Picture Test. Follow the steps it gives you on screen to check if there's a problem with the panel itself. If you have an OLED TV, you can also run a manual pixel refresher. Go to Settings, then Picture, then OLED Panel Settings, and select Pixel Refresher. Just make sure you don't run it too often, only once in a while if needed. Now let's check if your TV needs a software update. Go to Settings, then All Settings, then General, and select About this TV. From there, choose Check for Updates, and if there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Also, make sure Auto Update is turned on so it stays up to date in the future. If updating doesn't help, you can try doing a factory reset. Go to Settings, then All Settings, then General, then System, and choose Reset to Initial Settings. It'll ask you for a PIN. If you haven't changed it, the default is 0000. After that, confirm the reset and let the TV restart on its own. That's it for this video on how to fix screen flickering on your LG TV. I hope these steps helped you sort out the issue and get your screen looking normal again. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple tech fixes like this. Got any questions or did a specific step work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.